Grace wider than the sea. No matter how far a man may wander, Jah love still call him home. There was a time when me lose me way, chasing shadows through the darkest day, carrying burdens me could not sway, yet Jah mercy never drift away. Many nights me cry alone, heart feel cold just like a stone, but the shepherd hear every groan and remind me that me never alone. Some come failures, some come scars, some get trapped behind prison bars, yet mercy reach beyond the stars and heal the wounded where them are. When the storm clouds gather up and hope seemed nowhere to be found, listen close and hear the sound of grace flowing all around. River of mercy wash over me, break every chain and set me free. Like the eagle above the sea, Jah love forever carry me. River of mercy wash over me, break every chain and set me free. Like the eagle above the sea, Jah love forever carry me. Peter stumbled and denied the king, still forgiveness spread him wing. David fall yet continue sing, because mercy changed everything. No sin too great, no